Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to replace the batteries in your wireless smoke or heat detector. Locate your detector on the wall or ceiling. Note you may need a step ladder to reach the device. Before you begin, make sure your system is disarmed and let the monitoring center know you'll be doing maintenance. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and 3 AAA, preferably lithium batteries. Grip the detector firmly and rotate it counterclockwise to release it from the mounting base. Lower the detector to expose the battery compartment. Locate the battery compartment on the back of the unit. Remove the batteries using your small flathead screwdriver. Set them aside for proper recycling. Insert 3 new AAA batteries into the compartment, making sure the polarity matches the markings. Press them in firmly until seated. Align the detector with the mounting base and rotate it clockwise until it locks into place. Make sure it's flush on all sides. Press and hold the test button until the detector sounds and the panel registers the test signal. This confirms that your smoke detector is powered and communicating correctly. Reset the keypad with your 4-digit alarm code. The low battery condition should now clear. And that's it. Your smoke or heat detector is now operating with fresh batteries. Thanks for watching.